Walking out of the tunnel, we got warm-ups going on. It's getting real here in Detroit. Good. Here we go. It's going down. It's about to happen. Coach Dresser taking pictures. Hey, you're a good picture taker. I want you to know that.
Good. How are you, man?
Now listen. I felt you coming at me because you're not. He's slick. This dude's slicker than snot on a door handle. You are not. You ready to go today?
I am.
Bobcats ready?
I'm ready.
You got warming up out here?
Yeah.
You guys?
Yeah.
Slivka?
over there.
Ryan?
Fran's over there.
I like it. Oh, Stever Fever warming up.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. I'm in. Sign me up. Are you ready to go, Coach? You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Yeah? What
Are
should
we
I look
live?
out
Are
for
we
today?
live?
Tell me what to look out for. Give me something. Come on.
Hopefully you're looking out for 9 Cyclones.
9-0 is what I should be looking out for.
9-0 would be phenomenal.
Yeah?
We're favored in 5 and underdogs in 4 based on the seeds. So we
That-
take 9-0 right now.
That means nothing. Seeds mean nothing. You know
No,
that.
nothing.
I know you've been talking about that all week.
Yep. It means nothing.
I love it. Good luck to you guys, all right?
All right, thanks.
I'm just doing a quick walk around, all right? Give me some, all right? Okay. It's an extravaganza. When this end, I'm gonna pop through. Hey, go Camels! Give me some. Get it, all right? Oops. Popping through. We're talking to people, seeing what's going on here. Justin's ready for 9-0.
Embrace each other and fortify the ties among us. A single thread can
Smith, he's
fray,
ready.
yet when it's woven with
Cowboys,
another,
cowboying
a
up
bond
here.
forms.
There they are.
A new strength created
Cowboys
by
starting to cowboy up. There it
Let's
is.
embrace the fabric weaving together, the diversity of our
They are.
minds, to reach beyond
Air
ourselves.
Force Academy's out here. UV, Cal Poly.
The true power of our game comes from unifying our individual backgrounds, connecting our unique stories.
Guys, Lock Haven's ready to get it done today, right? Yeah? We already talked about this, yeah? Okay. Go Eagles, the Rise.
Go Bold Eagles, the Rise.
The Rise, I like it.
Why notice that?
There we go. It's Kilgore. We talked earlier. Warming up. These guys are getting the job done. Hey, good luck to you guys. Traffic through here. Good luck to you guys. Coach Badleon, how you doing? Coach Badleon, you ready? Get it. Get it, all right?
How you doing?
I'm good. Out here, the mock's ready? You brought your mullet and got it all perked up, right? Fabian, you ready? All right, let's go. All right, we got Kinner. Kinner, who else we got?
Kohler, Richie Kohler.
Kohler.
133.
Both MAC champs?
Yep, both my champs.
2 MAC champs. That's all you're turning out, huh?
Yep, 2 my champs.
You guys ready though? You ready? Getting the job done?
Yeah.
All right, I'm
Make
pumped.
some noise.
Let's go. Give me some. Give me some more. Get it. Getting ready here. Snap. Coach Moore, is it go time? Is it go time? Are you ready?
T-minus 30 minutes.
T-minus 30?
Yep.
Well, we're ready. Vikings are ready.
I got him.
Okay, we're warming up. 3, right?
3 of them. Yep. 3 of them.
Smucker, first time out, right?
Smucker, yep.
I love it. I love a good Smithville story. Clint's got here. Clint. I remember Clint.
Coach Moss, yeah, he trains them all.
Moss does it.
Already, yeah. And then we got Cass, our trainer.
Cash, you ready to go?
Yeah, always.
I love it.
Inspired. Oh.
I love it. I'm in. Sign me up. Working like a dog today, Coach? We working like a dog? Let's get it. I love it. Huskies are ready to go. There's Big Jim. Big Jim, you ready to go? You ready to go? You like the shirt?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah? All right, just checking. I always get yelled at for not having the right stuff on. Finally got the right
I
stuff.
don't yell at you anymore. I'm done yelling at you.
Yeah, I think Cody Kamara's called me out. I've been called out by Sparkman. I've been called out by everybody.
When you come to Kent, you wear.
Other people's
That's
stuff.
what they're gonna
That's
call
just
you.
a ploy for you to give me more stuff. You know that, right?
I got
Kind of cheating. Oh, you got me. Powder blue?
I got you. Powder blue.
Powder blue.
It's Carolina blue.
Oh, okay. We'll take it.
Isn't done yet.
We got the Chippewas are out here. It's like the MAC. Got the MAC teams. I love it. Hey, I got to talk to the Black Knights.
What up, Zeb?
We ready to go?
Let's rock, man.
You ready to do this?
American
Four total?
Yeah. Yeah, we're ready to rock.
2 Ohio.
2 Ohio.
50% of them are from Ohio.
By my math,
Pasuk and Brown.
Jack Brown.
I love it. I'm in. Sign me up.
Do it.
Get it. All right. Good luck to you guys. What's up? Hold on. We're doing our hype video here. So here we are. We're on the floor getting the job done. And Tony Rotundo here. Wyoming. Coach Borelli in the house. Get out of your way, Coach Hopkins. All right. Hopkins. And it's happening.